What a beautiful morning to be out. We are out at Gears and Grinds. It's the first Sunday of the month, March 1st, and this is put on by Das Arab Collective, Tyler and Taylor. They put on these great car shows, and they also do the Paddock Auto Oasis, and I was there Friday night, and we're here on a mission to find the full-scale versions of a Lamborghini Temerario. Yeah, look at that, beautiful. And of course, a Toyota Supra. Oh, wait a second. Oh, well, that was easy. Look at the master at work. He's got quite the rig there. Check out that Toyota Supra. There's the real one right there. Whoa, look at that Temerario. Whoa, look at that Temerario. The replacement to the Lamborghini Huracan. This is a hybrid. Look at that interior. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. We got the hybrid port. Come on this side, and you got the gas. Or maybe vice versa. I'm not 100% sure, but we got the V8 engine in there. Look at that exhaust. Yeah. Don't put your hand there. Look at those lights. I don't know what kind of car shows you guys go to, but Gears and Grinds has a little bit of everything for everyone, from supercars to classic cars and everything in between. And look, we've got some lowriders here, classic Chevy pickups over there, and a little Scion.